2005 Jeep. What is this, boss? A Liberty? Yeah, 2005 Jeep Liberty. Things not to do. So, buddy of mine, my brother, he bought this. And I was looking at the coolant reservoir, it's got a stuck injector, and I'm looking at it, I'm like, that don't look right. Well, long story short, the guy I bought it from, the old lady, must have thought, the transmission dipstick close to the reservoir. Oh, yeah, that must be where transmission fluid goes. Yeah, that's on what you don't do. That is not where transmission fluid goes. This is a coolant reservoir. We took that off. Cross tube over to throttle body. This has got to come out. This is going to come out. I have some injectors laying around. I'm going to see if that works. If one of the ones I have will work. I'll clean these tubes out. Pull this off because, it's just getting fun time down there soaked. See how these look. The injectors don't look that old, though. That's the thing. Wow, would you look at that? INJ2 for injector 2. They're even labeled on these. Look at you go, Mopar. These ain't that old. No, they're not that old. Try to get some light down here. Yeah. Hang on, guys. You're good. Oh, yeah. Got some scrumptious stuff down there. Oh, yeah. Scrumptious. Oh, yeah. Cylinder 2 is right here. Here's your cylinder 4. Try to get down into that injector. Oh, yeah. Look at that, guys. That's right. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button for Charlotte Avery's Mobile Repair. Show love and support for a mobile repair mechanic. Be greatly appreciated, guys. Anyways, I think that we're gonna have to do. Okay. Yeah, I kind of thought so. That's no bueno. This is what I'm curious about, because this is all wrapped up like it's not supposed to be with duct tape. So someone was in here having fun time. Well, that might be factory tape. Oh, is that wires I see? Hang on, guys. Oh, dude. They're freaking great. Oh, yeah, guys. Jesus. Well, I don't see any damages, which is a good thing. It's a real whole lot of wetness. Then these bolts here have to come out to be able to lift this guy up. I'm gonna have to take this out, or maybe not. Probably should though. Yeah, it's finger loose. Someone did a real phenomenal job. Look at that, all soaked in there. So you got a misfire. Got a size 8. So your literally spark plugs are filled up of coolant in injector 4 and 6. Probably why you're getting random misfires.
Well, I'm not getting random misfires.
No, you're not.
That's the thing.
Well, there's a pontoon down there.
Yeah, I figured as much.
Well,
and what sucks is I can't run air right now.
It's all right. So
those are new coils.
They're new. Look, I know. I seen them, and they're not original Mopar brand. These are not that old, and whoever did them, they didn't tighten them down at all, because that's why there's coolant flooded in the things. If it was the boot, the boots would be sealed, bro.
Well, I got paper towels you can shove down in there, or just I don't know, pull the spark plugs out.
I wanted to drop down in the motor, bro. I mean, it ain't good. It's up to you, bro. I mean, I'm at to the point, right, where I just got to pop this out, bro. Pull this 8 mil here and here, and then we can lift up on the fuel rail and pull this one out real quick from that. Instead of doing that, just connect the positive wire. Screw it. You know what I mean? Instead of us worrying about doing that, so that way after we get that out, then we can do it. Oh, you got it? All right. Foam ball.
Yeah, I broke the clip on this.
Here, let me grab one of the other ones, okay? And match it up before we... Either way, it's gonna have to come apart, though. I think it should. If anything, they just look like a little bit taller. Which we can just... Alright. Lug style's right. Just matters if the length's long enough. Which ones you had? Oh, you wanna know what? It might be. Got that leg, bro?
Look at that style plug.
It's this style that I have.
Yeah.
Yep. It is the ones from. There's food for thought there, guys. This is off a GM to a Mopar injector. Funny how that is.
Plug it in first to make sure you know.
Oh, yeah. My bad, bro. I didn't mean to. Oh, yeah. Clear as day.
Yeah?
Yep.
Fucking A right, send it.
Yep. That's from General Motors to Mopar. Good old Chrysler.
Yep. Alright, we gotta pull the fuel rail and all this other shit. So
Yep.
pause that.
Alright. Stay tuned for more, guys. I'll let you know the results.